I'm blue.
Double D, double die, double D, double die, double D, double die, double D, double die.
It's rather uncomfortable having that much air loaded into your gut at once. But I didn't want to have to reload to keep doing that one. Okay, so the other things I wanted to burp were
Yabba Dabba.
Let's start that one over.
Yabba Dabba. Do.
And someone finally requested, let's see, they want me to burp Bobba Fett where? Must be a Star Wars fan.
Bobba Fett where?
And, well, keep asking me to burp stuff, I'll keep thinking of stuff, and I'll keep making more burp speech videos.